What's up, fam? We're filming. This is behind the scenes on the Switchblade 2.0 music video. We're shooting that bitch today. We got like about 2.5 hours to film it, so I'm excited for that. Got my little set film on. I'm only one person, so you know I have a whole catalog of what the video is going to be about. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll be rapping my ass off today. Switchblade 2.0 music video shoot, bitch. So much elements to this video we gotta do. So Dom and Strom is gonna be the first one up. Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna have the phone on here. This one. Alright, this one's gonna shoot it. I don't know. I'm tired. I brought out here like 20 minutes, 30 minutes just to get this set up. Alright, Dom and Strom. Alright, I have an idea. I'm gonna put this in front of the stadium. I'm gonna put this in front of the stadium. So yeah. Put this in front of the stadium. No. Alright, I'm gonna work on Dom's launch. 3, 2, 1. Ah, shit. Hold up. Let's There we go. I gotta be careful because, alright, that was a good launch. Now, my name's Dom. My name's Dom, and I'd be owning Phoenix Ring. 3, 2, 1. I'm ready. Alright. Take the center now, Phoenix. Alright. And you still get your ass plugged. Yeah. Trying to film the video. These bays are so sensitive, I can't get them to stay in the center. There we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Cut. 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 That's it. That's it. Yeah, watch it. I don't give a fuck what people say about me. I am the switchblade. Yeah, I got my knife there. Hey, if you wanna try to mess with me, I don't give a fuck. I'ma crack you in the nuts. You already know. Yeah, don't fucking mess with me. I'm the forbidden boy. I've been undefeated since 2022. Bitch, I got these bitches on my dick. You already know. They sucking on that shit. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I've been undefeated. You already know. I still got my title belt. You already know. Yeah, it's 2025. I don't give a shit. Yeah, watch out. I don't give a fuck. Why people say about me? I ain't that bitch, but yeah, I got my life in it. If you wanna try to mess with me, I don't give a fuck. I'ma crack you in the nuts. You already know. Yeah, don't fucking mess with me. The forbidden door. I've been undefeated since 2022. Bitch. I am the master. The hardest part about doing this is because I am a single person and I am a loner. And I guess the hardest part about making this video, I'm single, I don't have any siblings, and I'm a loner. And I'm doing this by myself. So, see the hard work that goes into this. Switchblade 2.0, you know, I got inspired by Xander the Crimson Blader, you know, he does all this shit. It's just hard because I'm a single person, so it just really matters if I can just get it nailed in the coffin and just get it right. Alright. Come on, it's fine. Are you kidding me? It's always hard doing my music videos. It's always hard. Yeah. So, I don't give a fuck. People say about me, I am the Switchblade. Yeah, I got my knife there. If you wanna try to mess with me, I don't give a fuck. I'ma crack you when I'm not. You already know. Don't fuck, I'ma crack you in the nuts. You already know. Yeah, don't fucking mess with me. I'm the forbidden door. I've been undefeated since 2022, bitch. Now I got these bitches on my dick. You already know. They sucking on that shit. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I've been undefeated, you already know. I still got my title belt, you already know. Yeah, it's 2025, I don't give a shit. Still undefeated with these motherfucking bitches. I don't give a fuck, you already know. Fuck. Yeah, if you got a problem with me, I'ma crack you, yeah. You already know, been doing this shit. I'ma crack you in the nuts, you already know. I am the Switchblade 2.0. You already know, been doing this shit. I'ma crack you in the nuts, you already know. I am the Switchblade 2.0. I am the Switchblade 2.0. Well, so far so good. This is what I kind of planned it out to be for the music video. It's not gonna be 100% because of course I don't have directors, but it landed right there. It landed right there. I'll show you. I did put for it, but yeah, that's really the 2025 part. So we got that down. Nice part. How much Kelly did in this this the audio video. So we just do it like this. That. That. First I'm gonna do it. Oh. This is why it's hard trying to do this. You gotta get it right on the spot. So it's like that. There we go. I think that's how the way I'm gonna end it. Alright. I think we did it part. You gotta be careful. When you flipping the knife, don't wanna do it. You wanna do it soft. Like I did right there. I don't even know if we're still filming, but this is probably the hardest music. Like, I had everything in my mind. It's just like the way this is gonna come out, it's not gonna come out exactly how I want it to be. But yeah, so that's gonna be the ending part. That's literally right before it cuts off. I am the Switchblade 2.0. And don't fucking mess with me. Yeah, I am the Switchblade. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, hey, if you wanna mess with me, I'ma crack you in the nuts. People keep fucking shit. I don't give a fuck. Saying I fell off, but I really didn't. I've been making music. You already know. Now I'm coming in the hood with the fucking hoes. You already know. This is my thing. Yeah. Yeah, I got the choppers. Yeah, I got my money. Yeah. I don't give a fuck what you say about me. I'ma crack you in the nuts. Yeah. I don't give a fuck what the fuck. What the fuck? Yeah. Got my fucking home. Yeah. Try to mess with me. I have to switch like. Probably be in the music video. Let's probably be in the music video. People keep talking shit. I don't give a fuck. Saying but I really did. I've been making music. You already know. Now I'm coming in the hood with the fucking hoes. You already know. This is my thing. Yeah. Yeah, I got the choppers. Yeah, I got my money. Yeah. I don't give a fuck what you say about me. I'ma crack you in the nuts. You already know. Gotta crack this bitch in the motherfucker giant. And I don't give a fuck what the fuck you say. I don't give a fuck. Yeah. I'm a fucking it's your ass. Yeah. Try to mess with me. I am the Switchblade. I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah, I am the Switchblade. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, hey. If you wanna mess with me, I'ma crack you in the nuts. People keep talking shit. I don't give a fuck. Saying I fell off, but I really did. I've been making music. Yeah, you already know. Now I'm coming in the hood with the fucking hoes. Yeah. You already know. This is my thing. Yeah. Yeah, I got the choppers. Yeah, I got my money. Yeah. I don't give a fuck what you say about me. I'm gonna get some wallpaper and I'm gonna I gotta crack it over here.
Switchblade 2.0. I am the Switchblade 2.0. And don't fucking mess with me. Yeah, I am the Switchblade. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, hey, if you wanna mess with me, I'ma crack you in a nuts. People keep talking shit. I don't give a fuck. Saying I fell off, but I really didn't. Okay, you already know. Now I'm coming in the hood with the fucking home, man. You already know this is my gang, yeah. Yeah, I got the choppers, yeah, I got my money, yeah. I don't give a fuck what you say about me. I'ma crack you in the nuts. You already know. Gotta crack this bitch in the motherfucking vagina. And I don't give a fuck what the fuck you say. I don't give a fuck. Give a fuck, yeah. Got my fucking up. It's your ass, yeah. Try to mess with me. I am the Switchblade. I'm the undefeated. It's oh shit. Damn. Gonna go hard. Got my motherfucking game. Damn. Hey. Alright, look. Damn. Alright, cut.
That
was awesome. That was awesome.
Alright, that's a wrap on the music video today. I think I did everything that I wanted to do out here. I say we got it done. Switchblade 2.0. Music video is officially done. Gonna have to edit the video and then we'll see. But yeah, all the scenes for the music video is done. I am wore out. Like I told y'all, man, I'm just one fucking person. And it's so hard to film music videos when you're fucking single. Oh, got a fucking girlfriend. Got a cameraman, and I can't do it. So just live up to your reputations and stay Switchblade awesome. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You know, in my mind, the direction was good. It was just that I just needed a cameraman. I fucked it up. But enjoy. Video's out now. Switchblade anniversary album's out. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, gonna go hard. Got my motherfucking game. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Look. Yeah. What the fuck we do? Yeah.